Great for solo stay, quiet, close to hot places in Hsinchu. Exceptional, everything is fine. Cozy and friendly hotel, love the location. Easy to find. Have food and bubble tea around. Friendly staff and clean room with clean and spacious toilet. Surprisingly present. Big clean rooms, close to convenient store. Value for money and convenient location. Value for money and convenient location. Recommended hotel. Highly recommended Xinshe Hotel. They are friendly and helpful in locating our missing bag. The staff urgently helped us to call high-speed rail to check the missing bag. The location is near to city and attractions. The room is clean, good sound insulation, multiple choices of buffet breakfast. A small special decorating our room with love flower. No doubt Xinshe is the best solution for all your need. Value for money stay. We had a good stay at this hotel. Location was convenient with the main area of attraction being just a walking distance away. Food options are everywhere below the hotel and 7-Eleven is just right beside our accommodation. The service crew deserves thumbs up for their impeccable service as well. Overall a wonderful stay over here. Nice comfy stay. It was overall a good stay. The room was comfy, staff was friendly, location of hotel was walking distance to the city center and surrounded by eateries. Excellent hotel with good service. The rooms are clean and had enough space to move area, unlike some budget hotels. Easy to get around to with amenities all around. Hotel is about 20 minutes walk away from railway station. Staff very helpful when we ask for recommendations and directions. Breakfast is not bad. Was expecting just cereal for breakfast, but they had other local food provided too. A pleasant stay and will definitely come back. Highly recommended. Clean, spacious, friendly staff.